In this video of the Mac Essential, I am going to talk about how we can install WordPress offline such that we can create number of sites, and when we feel comfortable then only we pay and then only we launch it live online. But yes, one thing for sure you should do, you should buy the domain immediately such that, probably you will be building your site based on that domain. And if you do not find it, then you may need to make some changes. Alright, so let's quickly get started. And the tool that I'm gonna talk with you about that make this whole process so easy is WP Local by Flywheel. Let's click on it, and now I'm gonna click again on this link, and let's click here on download for free. And from here I can choose my Mac, which is Mac Apple Silicon, and most of us is the case. Now I'm gonna type here my name, last name, and then here you can type what your organization does and your email, ABC. Now click on get it now. Now click on allow. And here you can see we are downloading the setup. Once we download the setup, let me make a right click and I'm gonna click on show in Finder. Now let's click on open. Now this is going to open this kind of window from where you simply need to drag and drop this local application to application. Now we can close this. Now let's go here in apps, and now I should be able to see this local. Let's click on it. Now here we need to click on open, and there you go guys. Here we can see this is how this look like. And let's say you want to add new site, you need to click on add local site, and then here you can select create a new site. If you also have your existing WordPress, here is a chance where you can simply select the existing zip and can install the existing WordPress site. Since I just wanted to demonstrate how you can create from scratch, so I'm gonna go with create a new site. And here you can give your site a name, for example, the Mac Essential. Now there are advanced options though, but I'm gonna keep all these settings as it is to avoid any confusion. Here also I'm gonna select preferred, but there are even more advanced options available. Just I'm showing you to make you aware of. Now let's click on continue. Now here we need to think of what username I would like to have. So I'm gonna say, let's say the Mac Essential, and password add something, and click on add site. Now let's wait for a while till this local create our site. Now here we need to enter our password, and here we can see it is installing and downloading WordPress. And there you go, we have successfully installed it. Now let's click here on open site to open this for the first time, and here you go. Now of course you also would like to edit it, so let me again go back here in local by Flywheel and click on WP admin. Now here you need to enter the same credential that we have created, so I'm gonna enter the same. And if in case you forget it, then not to worry guys, again you can go back here in local, and then you need to enable this option which is one click admin. Now next time you click on WP admin, you will see that you will be automatically signed in, and now you can start crafting your masterpiece. And once it is ready, and then you can deploy it online. So that's all guys from my side in this video. If you have got any confusion or any question in this entire journey, like how we can create a WordPress website, then please do let me know in comment down below. I will definitely try to help you with that. And also please make sure you subscribe to the Mac Essential, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.